All right, guys, the wife is inside working on the trailer. Let's cut the lights and see what happens.
Hey!
What?
I'm working in here.
What happened?
I'm working.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You are here in the FFR trailer where me and the smoking hot wife, hey babe,
Hey.
we've got the kiddos asleep. It's about 10:30 at night and the wife has decided that we are going to come out here and work on the trailer because that seems to be what?
Our only
The
time.
only time to work when the kids are asleep. But what we're going to focus on today is she has decided what we're going to use is some super clean.
Dude, it's amazing.
Yep.
I'm not even.
And we are going to focus on this floor right here. While she is in here, we wanted to give you guys a before so that you can see how nasty it is.
It's disgusting.
It is
No, that's clean.
pretty
This is
nasty. So
It'll be
she
good.
thinks that she's going to use the super clean and some bleach and she's going to knock it out. While she is in here doing that, I'm going to get her started and we're going to help kind of scrub the floor a little bit, let that soak, and I'm going to go outside and show you guys some of the stuff that we figured out about the trailer, about the metal, and some of the things we had to order. And also, I'm probably going to change that tire out and put that tire on the trailer because the one that's on the trailer keeps leaking down and I'm tired of having to keep airing it back up each time. So let's see if we can get this floor clean. How's it looking?
Cleaner.
It's definitely cleaner.
Still yellow. I have
It's
to get a magic eraser.
still yellow, even though it looks a lot better. It smells like a freshly cleaned bathroom in here. What do you think?
Yeah, that's pretty accurate.
Is that accurate? People
Yeah,
can't,
that's accurate.
you aren't gonna be able to smell.
Which is good because it smelled like.
It smelled like a moldy
Musty.
mildew must, and
Yeah,
now it
mildew,
smells like a
that's it.
nice freshly cleaned urinal.
I don't know what that smells like, but.
Well, you'd have to know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, it's a lot cleaner. Wife did amazing. Look how shiny that is. We're still got a lot to go. We may end up even painting this. We may not even keep it the checkered flag. What do you think?
I
You
think
kind of like it? What
Fine.
color did you decide on the floor? What
Black.
So we're going black on the
Yeah.
floor.
It covers.
It covers, or gray, I was thinking. Maybe a gray.
Or black.
Or black. All right, black it is. All right, so what we're going to do is the wife has now decided we're going to go on the walls.
Yeah,
We're going to go ahead and wipe down all the walls on this side all the way back and all the walls on this side until right here, and then we'll stop. So get at it, babe.
There you go.
My goodness. Look at how clean this trailer is, guys. Babe, you did amazing. Y'all look at this. She just scrubbed every bit of the walls. They are super clean. We didn't really use super clean. We used a little bit of it, right?
I did. I ran out.
Oh, you ran out?
Yeah.
Okay,
Otherwise,
well,
I would've cleaned the whole thing with it.
we're out of super clean. But it looks amazing. Guys, it really does smell good in here. And while I'm talking about how amazing she did, we got to give the wives of FFR a big shout out, guys, because you all know, as well as all three of us, A, Fleming, and the bank, our wives, without their support and without them out here helping us, this wouldn't be possible, guys. The behind the scenes stuff that all of our wives do, on top of supporting us, is just tremendous, and we couldn't do it without them. Christy, she's out here getting it done, and she does all of our social media stuff that you guys see, so she handles that. And then Tanya, Austin's wife, she's awesome with videoing. She helps Aunt video whenever Aunt's not available or Aunt's willing another camera. And then Chelsea up in St. Louis, she has just got a huge support system for Travis. She's got to have so much faith with the money side of things. It's insane. So to all three of the FFR wives, you guys, no, you ladies are amazing. So thank you all so much for y'all's support. Now, what are we going to do, babe? Now that I got done doing a shout out to y'all.
Well, I remember in that other video I said that could be a crawl space for our kids, but it turns out it's our cabinets. Just kidding.
I know. She said this could be a crawl space. She had no idea
for them to play, but
that it went outside. But
just kidding, I didn't know that it was the cabinet. So now
what is it?
now it's time to clean
Now
those
to clean
floors.
that out. Yep. So we're gonna get these clean real quick, and then I'm probably gonna let her go ahead and go up to bed. And then I'm going to focus and try to get that tire changed and show you guys what we figured out about the outside and these light situations. And then talk about the air conditioner. So let's get this clean real quick. We'll come back and I'll show you guys that. All right.
What is that?
Oh!
What is that?
Big bug. They love them lights. Look at them.
Oh my gosh.
All right. I got it.
Thanks, Mark.
How bad is it?
Well, it was really bad, but
It is nasty.
it smelled like must, like
But-
moldy.
You've got it really good.
Well,
I mean, look how clean that is where she just wiped
it
it.
reminds me of when I was little.
You can see the walls are shining.
I used to climb up in spaces. Oh.
Look how good you did on this. Just kidding. That's for a future day. But it does 100% smell good in here. You did a lot better. It doesn't smell like portalette no more. Now it smells like
It never smelled like portalette.
it smells
It did
like
not.
cleaner now. Like the inside of a toilet bowl when you scrub Comet. What?
Good. Okay.
Done with that one?
No, I just made another coffee.
We're gonna get rid of that light.
I gotta move down.
All right,
That way.
come out.
Okay, hold on. We done.
All right, we'll finish wiping it real quick.
Well, it's not just wiping.
Well, we can come back. You get that top up there.
We need to come back and do this first.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a little bit of like mold on there. Just from where this thing was sitting up. We're gonna get some white paint and we'll actually paint the spots there where the white has come off, there and right there. We'll touch them up with some white paint.
Alright, we gotta come back to this one.
All right, calling it a job on the cleaning.
I have a baby who needs me.
Yep, time to go in. Little man's in there asleep. Can't see him, it's dark, but he's crying. Thank you for your help, babe. Guys, y'all thank her so much for all the amazing work she does. Woohoo! Love you, babe.
Love you too, honey.
So now that the wife has the trailer looking amazing, we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show y'all this tire. We're gonna change this tire so they don't have to keep jacking it up. We're gonna put this tire on the trailer out there. I'll show y'all why. So Bruce put brand new tires on this trailer. It just leaks down. So this is a brand new tire, but I think something around the rim right here is leaking by. So luckily, I don't have to fool with a lot. We're just gonna go get the jack and jack up right here and take this one off and put the new one on. I don't know if this is a coincidence or what, but I positioned this trailer right on the perfect spot to use this route to jack this trailer up. So I don't know, maybe that's showing me that I've got good luck with this jack right here. Maybe that's what that means. So let's get this thing jacked up. He's coming up. Got the jack up. Now let's get these lug nuts off of here. Good old one-handed. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go get this other one. Hopefully the trailer's up high enough. I may have to let some air out of this thing. Oh yeah, it is. Let's get this on there real quick. We're good there, so let's go back inside. I'm gonna tell y'all what some of the plans are that we figured out on this thing. We got this off. I'm pretty sure, like we mentioned, that the rim just has some trash around the edge. These are brand new tires, and so I'm gonna take this to Bayfast Lube and get that fixed. I did get the other one on there, but before we go, I want to tell you guys what we figured out. So we've got this off. We are going to end up trying to straighten this with some heat and using the old redneck frame machine to try to pull that back out. So that's the plan there. I've already got the metal. So if we get that straightened out, that should go fairly quick. But one of the things we did figure out, if you guys just happen to watch this and somebody is like, oh my gosh, I finally figured it out. You can see these are like Phillips head type screws. And what we ran into the issue, if my light works, I'll show you guys, is these screws out here are different. They're kind of strange looking. What it ended up being is it's called a double square. And so it's really weird. I looked everywhere for them, and the only place I could find them was Amazon. And so we're waiting on that to come in so that I can take that metal off to get to that. So that's on hold there. I'm just glad that somebody actually figured that out before me, because we couldn't even get these lights out because they use the same exact type of double square, number 2 double square tool. I don't know why they put these on the inside and then moved to that other side kind on the outside of the trailer and randomly placed them in here, but oh well, it doesn't really matter. So as far as the ceiling or the roof goes, we had some subscribers reach out to us and tell us about some rubber sealant that you roll on the roof. So that's the option. We're going to go there. That way we don't have to rip anything off. It's like some real thin rubberized tape, and then you roll that on there. So that's probably going to be an all-day job getting that put on there. And then the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this air conditioning system. So we were able to find an old thing to put right here to kind of cover that. As far as all these leaks go, that will be taken care of after we get the rubber seal on the roof. So until then, we're not going to do anything else, but we have got most of the water leakage out of here. So that's when we went ahead and decided to go ahead and clean. But what we've got is, I have an old pop-up camper that I had when I was a teenager, like 18 or 19, somewhere in there, and it has an air condition on the top of it. The camper dry rotted out and everything was bad on it. So what we're gonna do is, it's way out in the back by the old racetrack at Dad's place. So me and Austin, or me and the wife, somebody are gonna have to go out there and tromp through the snakes and alligators and the ticks in the woods and see if we can try to get that thing to pop up to see if that air conditioner still works. Because the last time I put it down forever long ago, it worked great, and it's just been sitting there. So we're going to see if that air conditioner works. If it does work, we're going to install it up here and wire this in before we close it back off. If not, me and the wife have decided, because of all the blessings we've been getting, we may just go ahead and purchase a brand new like RV style air conditioner on the top. We're gonna have to save up some money to get that, but the wife wants air conditioned, so we're getting air conditioned. But that's it on this trailer build. You saw in the last video Austin's car. We're very excited about getting to build that. A lot of you have commented on that video letting us know that y'all would enjoy a price breakdown on that, so that is what we're going to go ahead and do. We'll do a price breakdown on that car and let you guys know probably in the next upcoming videos on that, what we paid, what we've parted out, where we stand, to just kind of keep y'all up to date on where we stand with the price and the price points for building his car. We are just overwhelmed with all the support you guys have given us on that. The comment section was hilarious on some of the things. The 8.8 definitely was one of my favorite ones, that if Austin was upside down, the number would still be the same. So Dave, that was priceless, sir. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much. We do have hats that just arrived. They're red and black hats. I'll throw that up on the screen now and show y'all. These are the hats that we are going to have in the next upcoming weeks. We're going to drop them off at the embroidery place, and we have a few more shirts left, and we will be sold out. And so thank y'all for buying the shirts. We are going to go ahead and place another order for them. Y'all let us know if y'all would be interested in the same shirts we just had, or if y'all would like the newer design with the black rims and the new number on the RS-X. So y'all make sure y'all let us know. Drop your comments down below on that. Don't forget about the Super Clean giveaway. Go back to that video of introducing Austin's build and comment Super Clean giveaway for that. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Go look us up on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, guys, y'all be blessed. We'll see you in the next one.